Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we are going to start with one new series for the Python, where we will discuss each and every topic related to Python from basic level to advanced level. And mainly in this portion, we will discuss what are the like you can say introduction of Python, what are the benefits of Python, who created the Python, and all the basic information regarding the Python. Okay, so mainly I'll show you this thing. So Python is a popular programming language that we can use for various purpose. There are lots of advantage of using Python that we will see, like why we need Python. Okay, and it was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. So since then 1991 it is popular among the developers because it is quite simple as compared to other language, and there are lots of advantages of using Python. Okay, so it is used for web development related to server side, and we can use Python for software development, for mathematics purpose, for system scripting as well. Okay, then what are the advantages of Python? The Python has you can say Python is a platform independent language. It means we can use Python on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Okay, so that's why it is popular among the developers, and it has a very simple syntax as compared to other language. It has a very simple syntax. You can consider it you can compare it with normal English language because the syntax is quite simple. Okay, and then Python is runs on a interpreter system, means the moment you execute the code the code can be executed as soon as you read, write it. Okay, and therefore the prototyping is quite simple and quick as compared to other things, and it can be considered as a procedural way, object oriented way, or functional way as well. So this is the advantage of using Python. So in this throughout the series, what we will do, we will start with a very basic things first. We will see each and every syntaxes, like what are the things that we can execute on Python, what are the syntax for those things. Okay, so we will start with basic thing, and then we will go further deep into the Python. We will create some projects, some case studies, and also we will create one, you can say, Windows application and other modern things as well for the Python. Okay, so I hope this session is clear to all of you, and in the upcoming session we will discuss the installation process for the Python, and then we will take our this series to further steps. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechShare Myth.